how to fix picture-in-picture not working on YouTube. So if you want to fix picture-in-picture not working in your YouTube, then what you need to do is first you just need simply search for your YouTube, tap and hold on to your YouTube application, go with the app info. Once you're on your app info, you need to just simply scroll down and you'll find an option of picture-in-picture right here under your advanced settings. So you need to tap on picture-in-picture and make sure that this option is turned on. Go ahead and toggle this on. This allows the app to create a picture-in-picture window while the app is open or after you leave it. This window is shown on top of the other apps that you are using. Once you've allowed it, head back, and then now you need to select the storage option, which will be right here. Tap on storage and cache, and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. After clearing your cache, now you can go back and then open up your YouTube application. After opening your YouTube, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom, and then go with settings, which will be on the top. Now from the settings, you need to scroll down again and you will have the general option. Tap on general. Under general, here you may have the option of picture-in-picture and make sure that it is turned on as well. Go ahead and open up any video and check if your problem is fixed. If it's still not fixed, then you just want to simply reinstall the application. So first you need to uninstall it and then again reinstall the YouTube application and it will fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.